have said that by the end of this month, they are going to hand over the project to Ross River government, and of course, not the quality being handled by the President. We are so happy about the money we are spending, and you can see the confidence of the people because of the project. And we believe that we are also going to fly off the 10th one. Hopefully next 1 or 2 weeks, we're already outside. So we thank God for His message, for giving us the courage and the resources to carry out this very massive infrastructure in the state. And I can tell you that I'm happy that the support we're getting from the people. That's what we need. And at the end of the day, thank you the opportunity to contribute and all the to put out to the development of the state. So, very happy.
In 2015, when they collected your form, your governorship form, you promised that you are going to address the issue of traffic congestion on Port Harcourt-Aba route specifically. Now, you only apply by left line, the one at water lines. How do you feel? Do you feel satisfied with the ease of traffic on this road now?
Well, you can see that before, if you're from here, this part of Port Harcourt and you're going to Aba, it takes you from here to the interchange. It takes you 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours, but down 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And it's amazing what, when you look at Port Harcourt now, what it used to be. The traffic before something is not what any human being would like to witness. Very horrible, and that of course affects economic activities. But with everybody, you just hit from here, and you're going to Aba. Get off from the band between you and the state. And this is what's called development. Look at how it transformed the entire area, and that's also promise made and promise fulfilled. So we're very happy.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.